What's up, guys? It's Hunter with NVX, and today we have another very exciting amplifier dyno. We have the XQA12001. We are going to be doing certified testing and dynamic testing at 4, 2, and 1. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it. Our first run is going to be certified 4, 2, and 1. We're going to do 4. All right, 4 ohms, we got 528 at 14.85. We didn't even get any distortion there. Let's see what we get at 2. Two ohms, we got 891 at 14.75. Let's do her at 1. All right, 1 ohm, we got 1317 watts at 14.66. All right, let's move over to dynamic. .530, 14.91. 2 ohm. All right, at 2 ohms, we got 1001 at 14.85. Awesome. Let's do 1 ohm, see what we get here. $16.53 at 14.74. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. This amplifier right here is a high resolution amp. Basically what that means for a bass amp is it goes from 10 hertz to 400. And is very good sound quality. When we were testing these, it was in my vehicle for a long time. A little over a year, and I couldn't be happier with it. All right, so as you can see, the XQA1200 did its number and then a little bit more. It was pretty impressive and dynamic. Now, if you want to check out some more information on this, please visit the link below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe.